3, 2, 1.
1939 has often been described as a banner year for movies. Which of these 1939 movies starred Gary Cooper? The answer is C. Beau Geste. Which instrument is used in the Middle East to produce a deep, droning sound for religious and cultural music? The answer is A. Oud. Which programming language is used for web development? The answer is A. Java. Converging plates can be oceanic, continental, or one of each. If at least one is oceanic, it will subduct. A subducting plate creates what? The answer is B. Volcanoes. What are all scientific explanations and interpretations based on? The answer is D. Facts. A predator is an animal that feeds on other animals. Which of these is a predator? The answer is B. Wolf. Full siblings share how many genes with each other? The answer is B. Half. Which book contains the character Joseph K? The answer is C. The Trial. Which word means a practitioner of the martial art of Okinawan origin, karate? The answer is D. Karate. What is the term for coiled structures made of DNA and proteins? The answer is B. Chromosomes. From where have the earliest ocean plants thought to have evolved? The answer is C. Green alga ancestor. Through what part do exocrine glands discharge their contents? The answer is D. Tubular ducts. Which kitchen item has multiple small, sharp blades? The answer is C. Microplane. Quickly calculate 95 to i.e. 95x 95. What is the result? The answer is C. 9025. During what war is Francis Ford Coppola's 1979 movie Apocalypse Now set? The answer is C. Vietnam War. What year did the film The Exorcist debut? The answer is C. 1973. Which of these drinks would you associate with the Czech Republic? The answer is A. Becherovka. What is the word for a drinking glass with flat sides and no stem? The answer is A. Tumbler. What is the study of chemical processes that occur in living things? The answer is D. Biochemistry. What is the largest country in South America by land area? The answer is C, Brazil. What step in cellular respiration forms ATP? The answer is A, oxidative phosphorylation. Which capital is known as the Big Apple?
The answer is C, New York.
How many low and high tides occur per day? The answer is C, 2. What is a tool used to grate cheese called? The answer is A, grater. What is the capital of Baroque art? The answer is D, Madrid. What is a female goat called? The answer is B, a nanny. What famous person delivered these words? I have nothing new to teach the world. Truth and non-violence are as old as the hills. The answer is B, Mahatma Gandhi. Which musician is known as the king of rock and roll? The answer is A, Elvis Presley. Quantities have two parts, the number how many and what else? The answer is D, unit. Who was the first psychologist to conduct experiments on animals? The answer is D, Skinner. Which item is used to measure the weight of an object? The answer is C, balance scale. What is the term for the combination of a metal with a nonmetal to form an ionic compound? The answer is C, combustion. Which band released the album SGT, Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band? The answer is C, Beatles. Which gas makes up most of a star's mass? The answer is C, hydrogen. Which river flows through the city of Cairo, Egypt? The answer is D, Nile River. What was meant by spring chickens in the early 1900s? The answer is D, young male chickens. Which process of the water cycle transports water from plants to clouds? The answer is B, transpiration. What is the name of the chart that allows you to easily determine the expected percentage of different genotypes in the offspring of two parents? The answer is B, Punnett square. What part of the body secretes adrenaline? The answer is C, adrenal gland. What is the study of the universe called? The answer is C, astronomy. The water cycle includes which processes? The answer is A, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Who was the first emperor of the Holy Roman Empire? The answer is A, Otto I. What tool is used to paint walls? The answer is A, brush. A student is measuring the speed at which a ball rolls down a ramp. Which unit of measurement is the student most likely using to describe the speed of the ball? The answer is D, centimeters per second. Which bathroom item is also a communication protocol? The answer is B, soap. Who is the Egyptian god associated with the afterlife and mummification? The answer is C, Osiris. The Ural Mountains form a natural border between which two countries? The answer is A, China, Mongolia. Which tool is typically used to saw wood? The answer is B, hacksaw. What actress played Tara King, the third Avenger girl, in The Avengers? The answer is C, Linda Thorson. Cellular respiration brings hydrogen and oxygen together to form what?